Is Tom a travel agent? آیا Tom یو travel agent دی؟ Is Tom a travel agent? Yes, he is. ها هغه یو travel agent دی. Yes, he is. Is Adila a mechanic? آیا Adila یو مکینک ده؟ Is Adila a mechanic? No, she isn't. She is a homemaker. نه هغه مکینک نه ده بلکې هغه د کور ښځه ده. No, she isn't. She is a homemaker. Is Lisa a student? آیا لیسا یوه زده کوونکې ده؟ Is Lisa a student? Yes, she is. ها هغه یوه زده کوونکې ده. Yes, she is. Is Gino a police officer? آیا جینو یو پولیس افیسر دی؟ Is Gino a police officer? No, he isn't. He is a cook. نه هغه پولیس افیسر نه دی بلکې هغه یو باورچی دی. No, he isn't. He is a cook. Is Sam an electrician? آیا سیم یو electrician دی؟ Is Sam an electrician? No, he isn't. نه هغه electrician نه دی. No, he isn't. He is a mechanic. هغه یو مکینک دی. He is a mechanic. Is Gloria an engineer? آیا Gloria یو انجینیر ده؟ Is Gloria an engineer? Yes, she is. ها هغه یو انجینیر ده. Yes, she is. Is Christina Silva a doctor? آیا کریسټینا سیلوا یوه ډاکټره ده؟ Yes. Is Christina Silva a doctor? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. She is a restaurant cashier. نه هغه ډاکټره نه ده بلکې هغه یو رستورانت کیشیر ده. No, she isn't. She is a restaurant cashier. Is Lisa Logan a nurse? آیا لیسا لوگن یو نرس ده؟ Is Lisa Logan a nurse? No, she isn't. She is a student. نه هغه نرس نه ده بلکې هغه یو زده کوونکې ده. No, she isn't. She is a student.